Hello, hello, welcome back to my channel. It's me, SB, and we are back with day 10 of hashtag Gely Postcard Play. And I'm going to keep it simple today because why not? I think I've been going a little overboard these past few days. So I'm going to dumb it down a little bit. Not necessarily dumb it down, but we are going to keep it simple. And I'm going to use this card today. As you can see, I'm going to just trim up these edges because it did not cut correctly. There we go. So I'm basically just going to keep it as is. I think it looks interesting. So I'm actually going to take, perhaps not, I was going to take a marker and kind of do some borders around it a little bit in a fun color, which I don't know what color I'm going to use. Maybe I can use this minty color and just kind of go around the edges a little bit. But first, before we do anything, I want to round these edges. I don't know about y'all, but I love the way alcohol markers smell. Just, it's a thing. They smell like alcohol. Okay. So let's just kind of make some little swirlies. Whee! Now, it may not show up very much in some spots, but we are just going to go with it, right? Just going to have fun with it. Because, yes, this is going to be a very simple design today. You know what? Let's add a little extra as well. Maybe a fuchsia. Add a little fuchsia to the mix. Not going to get too crazy. I'm going to wind up ruining it. Why not? Let's do a purple. Yeah, let's do a purple. Why not? We're adding colors here, but I'm going to do small colors. It always seems like when other people do this, like it looks so cute, and then I do it and it just looks a mess. Alright, well, that's going to have to do. And then I'm going to kind of outline these in a marker, or not a marker, but one of these micron pens. Let's see, let's do this one. And it's just going to be a real quick. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and stamp my tin. As you can see, it's going to be real simple today. And yeah, So let's see if I can get these little bitty numbers. I'm just going to put it, well, where should I put it? I'm going to put it kind of catty corner. There's the 01. And there we go. 10. I'm half tempted to add something else, but I don't know. I kind of just want to keep it that way. Keep it simple. If I find, let's see, maybe we'll just put a quick saying on there. Shine like the stars. I don't know. Or maybe we can just add just a little moth in the corner. I don't know. Put good vibes. I don't know. I feel like that kind of ruins it. I think I'm just going to leave it as is, and if I decide later to add something, I will. But there is card number 10. I hope you enjoyed it. It's very, very simple. Not too much going on with this one, but you know, I did a little extra. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.